We'll guide you through how to make a Roblox shirt for beginners. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Having your own Roblox shirt can be really cool because you can go and do a custom design, maybe for yourself, or what you can also do is go and start selling it, people can go and buy it, and you can earn Robux. So it's a really cool way of being able to go and customize your character and make some Robux. We're going to guide you through this step by step from everything you need to know. So what we need to do first of all is you need to go and open up a new tab, or if you haven't already, go and open up a web browser. So I'll just go and come to a new Google tab. Now what we need to do is you want to go and type in Roblox shirt templates, like so. Then you want to scroll down and you want to go and find the Roblox Creator Hub here. This will go and take you to where the template is. So now what you can do is you can go and scroll down, and here you're going to go and find the templates. So here you're going to have the pants to the right, and on the left you've got the shirt. So what you can do is go and press shirt at the bottom, and then it's going to go and download what you're going to go and need. So what you can do is go and open up your file explorer. You can go and press downloads. You can then go and select it or right click on it, and you want to press extract all, press extract, and it will then go and extract the template here. And then what you can do is for now, you can come and close out of this, and we need to come to another new tab. And now what you want to do is go and type in Photopea. So Photopea is basically an online graphics design software and photo editing software we can use. So you want to come to photopea.com, and you can then press start using Photopea. You want to go and you can choose if you want to go and agree here, I do. And then you want to press open from computer. You want to find the option for downloads to the left, come into the folder here, and you can then go and choose the shirts template. Select it, and you want to go and press open, and here it is. So you've now got the template here. This is a really great app to go and use. If you want to go and zoom in, press Control+, here it is. Now what we need to do is we need to go and start working on this. So we're gonna go and cut out the template. So what you want to do is go over to the left, and you want to go and grab the rectangle select tool. Go to one of the corners of the template. I'm just starting at the top here, and click, hold and drag. Then you can go and select the area, let go. It's now selected, and you can go and press backspace or press the delete key on your keyboard. Press Control D to then deselect. And then what you want to do is go and repeat that for the other parts. So click, hold and drag like this, and then you can press delete or backspace, and it'll then go and remove it. Then we can go and repeat that for the arms here as well. If you look over to the left, you can go and see how it's going to go and fold up. What I like to do sometimes is to come back to my downloads, and you can then go and open up the image template, just so you can go and be reminded of where it's all going to go and appear when you actually start working on it. So you can always go and open up this template here, and then you can go and see the fronts here, the backs here, and you go and get the idea. Now I'm just cutting out the final part by letting go here, and then I'll press delete. So now we're ready to go and start actually adding in designs. So what you could do here is if you just wanted a solid color, you can come to layers, come to the bottom right here, and you can press new layer. You want to then drag that below the background. And then with the select tool, you could click, hold and drag. So I could do this top part. I could drag down the entire thing if I wanted to. I could then go and grab the paintbrush over to the left here. I can go to the top left and make this a lot bigger. And then what I could do is go and choose the color over to the left here, like for example, a red. I could click and I could make the entire shirt red. I don't want to do that, but that's just the example. What I prefer to do is go and grab some patterns. So a great website you could use is Pexels. So I can type here, come to pexels.com. And then what you could do is go and type in pattern or effect, and you're going to go and see loads of different things you can go and use here. So for example, I could go and make a shirt with this design. That could be cool. And you go and get the idea. You can scroll down here and go and see different effects and cool different patterns you can go and use. So you could try typing in effect as well, like visual effect perhaps, and you're going to go and see these different options you could go and make your shirt with. There are other sites out there. For example, I've come to Pixabay. When you find one you like, then what you can do is go and click on it, and you can go and find the download button. So it's in the top right here. We can then go and press download like so, and then it should download. Now what we can do is come back to Photopea, and to add it in, press file in the top left. You can then go and press open and place. And we can then go and find it on our download. So I'll select that there. We can then go and select the design and go and press open. And there it is. Then what you can do is go and press the tick, and you've added it. We can actually go and change the color of this. To do that, you can go down and you want to go and find the option for new adjustment layer. You can select hue/saturation, and this will go and open up. And then what you can do is go and drag across hue to go and change the look of it, as you can see. So for example, if you wanted a blue like this, you could go and do that, adjust the saturation and the lightness and go and get it to your liking. Now what I also like to do is go and add in some shading. So we can open up another new tab, and now what you could do is go and type in Roblox shirt shading like so. You can then go and press images, and you're going to go and see some different options here. For example, I'll grab this one here, then you can go and right click on the image and you want to press save image as like so, and you can press save. Then you can come and return to Photo P. Now you want to go to the top left and you can go and press File, press Open and Place. Then you can come to your downloads and select it, and you want to go and press Open. And as you can see, there it is. What you may need to do is go and resize it to go make sure it fits perfectly. If you can't get it quite right, then what you want to do is go and press the tick at the top to confirm it. Then what you want to do is come into your layers and you can right click on it and press duplicate layer. So you've now got two of them. You want to go and select one of them. So I'll select this top one. Press select button to the left, and then what you can do is go and select the bottom arms, and then you can go and press the delete key, press OK, and you have to press delete again. Then come over to the right into layers. You can hide one of them by pressing the I, and as you can see, I've now just got the top one here. And then you can go and make sure you select transform controls, and then what you can do is just individually adjust that. Then you can go and hide this by pressing it to the I to the right, and you can reveal the bottom one. And then what you can do here is you can go and select it, press the select tool, and you can select the main torso just because we aren't needing that now. And then you can go and press the rubber to the left, and you can go and press delete, press OK, press delete again, and that's now gone. And then what we can do is we can go and focus on the bottom one. Then you can go and select the bottom one, and you can go and resize it by using the corner points and go and get it perfect. Then you can press the tick at the top, and you can go and reveal the other. What you can then do is go and reduce your opacity if you find it a little bit too intense, like so, and you can do the same thing for the bottom one and go and get it the same. Of course, you can now go and start adding other images, and you could start adding text amongst other things as well. So I could go and press File in the top left, and you can then press Open and Place. For example, I want to go and add in the GuideRealm logo, so I'll press GuideRealm to the left, come to my assets. I can find my logo and select it and go and press Open, and there it is. And then what we can do is go and start resizing it. And here we are, and I wanted to have it sort of in the middle here, as that's where the front is. Now, it's important to note that you may want to go and adjust it in the layers so you get the shadow. For example, if it was at the top here, it wouldn't go and have the shadow. So I want to have it just below it here like so. So we go and get that effect, and shading we went and added. And of course, you can go and start doing other things as well, like adding more images. You can go and add in different effects as well. For example, on the back, I could go and add in the YouTube icon if I wanted to. So I could go and type in YouTube icon. I could find it. I'll then right click on it and go and press save image as, press save. And then I can come back to Photo P. I could go to the top left and press on file, and I could press open and place. And I can then come to my downloads. I can go and find the YouTube icon and press open, and there it is. And then what I can do is go and resize it by using those corner points. If you don't have those corner points, by the way, I press tick, make sure you have transform control selected. And then we can go and keep on editing it. I'll go and have it on the back. As you can see, I could have it just there. Then I can press the tick. Once again, you can click, hold and drag to go and change where you want it in the order of layers, as I want it below the shading, just to go and add that cool effect to it. And you can always come over to the right with it selected in layers and change the opacity if you want to make it a bit more transparent, or go and change how the layer goes and looks. I'm going to go and keep it normal for now though. And then what we can do is we can go and download this onto our computer to go and get it on Roblox. So to do that, you can go to the top left and press File. You can then go down and you can press Export As, and you can go and select PNG. You then go and see it here, and you want to go and press Save, and it'll then go and download. And then to get it onto Roblox, press Roblox at the top. Then what we can do is go and press Create at the top. Then you want to go to the left and press Creations. At the top, you can go and press Avatar Items. And now what you want to do is go down and you can find the option for Classics. And you need to go and set filters for classic shirts. And then you can press Upload Asset, and you want to press Upload. And then we can go and find in our downloads. So it should be this top one here. And then you can go and press Open, and there it is. You can then name it what you want. So I can name this Custom GuideRealm. And then what you can do is go and press Upload. So it does cost you 10 Robux. So I'll press Upload there and confirm my decision. Go and wait. It's then gone and refreshed, but I'll press Avatar Items again at the top, scroll down to Classics, and then I'll go and press Classic Shirts, and there it is. If you want to put it on sale, you can go and click on it. Then you can go and put on sale and you can go and set a price. So I can set it for 15 Robux, let's say, and you can go and see the preview to the right as well. And then what you can do is go and press publish item, and we've now published it. You don't have to publish it, by the way, if you just want to wear it for yourself. And then if I come to the URL bar, I'll come back to roblox.com and we can go and start wearing it. So if you go and press the menu button in the top left, you can go and press avatar. Then you can wait and you can go and see it in your inventory. So you can go and select it and you should then go and be wearing it. I'm just going to unselect my jacket so you can properly go and see it. I'll need to unselect the t-shirt as well. And as you can see, we should then go and have it wearing. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again.